Okay, today's Sunday. Sitting around this morning, bored, raining, kind of stuck inside up until now. It's beautiful now, but gotta be in my bonnet again with my car and trying to determine what I could do to just some kind of project. And here's what I got. Okay, from the factory. These babies dip in. The taillights do. The trunk does right in the middle, top and bottom. But after I did the taillight conversion, right in this area here, it's now smooth through here. This originally dipped in. So the trunk didn't necessarily match the quarter panel. So I thought, well, okay, I'm going to make some templates, cut out some vinyl, and made some templates, then transferred over to some steel I had left over from the quarter panels when I worked on them, and cut out these little inserts. I'm going to weld them in, do some finish work around the edges there so it's nice and smooth, and then get that painted. The center section here is going to be done in a bright silver metallic. You can see how the taillights kind of glow with no lights on. I want to try to achieve the same thing in here. I want to paint this silver in the middle. Then I'm going to put multiple coats of red candy in there, hopefully to mimic this same depth and color all the way through here. Just kind of give a faux tail light, so it's going to be all the way across. It's going to be super cool. If it doesn't work out, I'll just spray black on it and call it good. That was my original thought, was just painting that center section black. But that is it. Eventually, I got to figure out something for reverse lights. A while back, I thought about putting 65 bumper on here, because right down here in the 65s, it's got reverse lights. I just kind of like the clean look. So I don't know. What I'm thinking of doing is getting some clear, super bright LED strips. One on this side, one on the other side, just underneath the bumper, where I made that custom valance. And then that will be kind of out of sight, yet I'll still have some lighting if I need to back up someday. But yeah, back up someday. Probably odds are pretty good. I probably have to do that, right? Anywho, that is it. My welder's broken. My little $99 Harbor Freight welder finally gave up the. It's probably something easy. I think the little wheels that drive the cable through, they're like worn out. They won't grab the cable, the wire feed. So I don't know. I'll get in there somehow. Order some parts for it, whatever. But that's it. Pretty slick, eh? Alright, so I'll get some more updates here as I get her licked out. You guys take care. Have a good day.